In today's video, we are going to learn about the lesson after 20 years and revision of question answer. So first of all, let me tell you what you have learned from this lesson. In this lesson, there were two good friends. When they were of middle age or like students or of young age, they decided to meet at one restaurant after exactly 20 years, right? They wanted to see who become very successful in their lives, right? Both were having same capability, but it all depends on a person how much they can achieve from their knowledge, wisdom and skill. So that was a bet between these two friends. From these two friends, one become a cop. Cop means policeman, and one become what I can say, a criminal, right? Who did many wrong things in his life just to achieve success. Achieve success is not a bad thing, but to achieve success, if you do bad works like murder, stealing, kidnapping, that is all wrong way, or I can say shortcut way, right? By using shortcut, you may achieve success very soon, but it did not last for longer. But if by doing hard work you achieve something, then I think it remains forever with you. So that we have learned in this story. Let's see the question answer of after 20 years. It begins from here. Give example to prove that although Bob and Jimmy both were good friends. Give example to prove that although Bob and Jimmy had not met for 20 years, they both cared for each other. Cared for means, as I told you, both were good friends. So that's why they look after, they care about each other very much. Bob reached the spot. Spot means the location where they decided to meet exactly after 20 years. Bob reached the spot where they planned to meet and waited for Jimmy. What Bob did, beta? Bob reached the spot at the restaurant where they planned to meet, and then he waited for Jimmy. Let's see, Jimmy came or not. On the other hand, Jimmy was also on the time to meet Bob. They were eager to meet each other even after 20 years. The time was very long, but till their friendship was not affected by passage of time. They were still very much eager to meet each other. He could not arrest his friend Bob, so he sent his colleague to arrest him. Showed how sensitive he was towards him. Sensitive, having feeling. He could not arrest his friend Bob. As soon as he recognized Bob as a criminal, he was feeling very much sensible for Bob, and that's why, as Bob was his best friend, he could not arrest Bob, and that's why he sent his fellow colleague, a cop, to arrest him. Why were the streets de-peopled? The streets were de-peopled because the vanity kept early hours. I repeat, the streets were de-peopled. De-peopled means less people because the vicinity kept early hours. There was a chilly wind blowing with a taste of rain in it. The weather was not good enough, and that is why there were less people in the street. Almost no one was there. There was a chilly wind blowing with a taste of rain in it. So there were very few people on the streets. Whom was Bob waiting for? Why was he waiting? Bob was waiting for his best chum. Chum means friend, Jimmy Wells. Because 20 years ago they had promised to meet at Big Geo Brady's restaurant. I repeat, where they decided to meet to each other? At Big Geo Brady's restaurant. No matter what their condition might be or from what distance they might have to come, but they decided for sure they will meet at the place decided by them. Bob had prospered in his years away from his friend. How do we come to know that? First of all, prosperous means he has got very much success in his life. Like he has become very much rich, millionaire. He was wearing a scarf pin with a large diamond. Scarf pin, right? Just to fix a scarf, he was having a pin and it was containing a diamond, a large diamond. So can you understand who can afford a diamond? Certainly a rich person. He had a handsome watch, right? The lid of which was set with small diamonds. See, in his scarf pin, a large diamond. He was having a handsome watch in which in lid also there were small diamonds. This showed that Bob had prospered in his years away from his friend. I repeat, this showed that Bob had prospered in his years away from his friends, right? I came 1,000 miles to stand in this door tonight, and it's worth it. What do these words convey about Bob? I came and it's worth it. These words tell us how eagerly Bob waited his friend Jimmy even after 20 years. He came for long away. It shows he valued friendship and he was a man who kept his word. Bob was a man who kept his word. Even Jimmy also came, but he could not come to go closer to his best friend. Why did Jimmy not reveal his identity? Reveal means show. Why did he send the other man? Jimmy did not reveal his identity because he was a policeman and Bob, his best friend, was a criminal. This was the main reason why he hid his identity from Bob. When Jimmy saw Bob, he recollected means he remembered, he recognized that he was a wanted criminal in Chicago. Therefore, he sent another man to arrest Bob as he cared for him. His best friend, when he come to know that he was a wanted criminal of Chicago, he couldn't arrest Bob because Bob was his best friend. That is why he sent another man to Bob to arrest him. Why do you think Bob wished to prove to Jimmy? Why do you think Bob wished to prove to Jimmy? I think what will come. Bob wished to prove to Jimmy that the farmer was smarter and quick on the move. Bob wished to prove to Jimmy that the farmer was smarter and quick on the move. He had made more progress in his life and had become rich by stepping out to the west. He shifted to Chicago, you right? He had made more progress in his life and had become rich by stepping out to the west. Bob wanted to show to Jimmy that he had to compete with some of the sharpest wits, and the west had a razor edge on him. A razor edge of him. Quite what I can say, keen watch on him. Right? It was the best decision. He decided to move to west side, Chicago or somewhere, and there he made lots of progress, and that is why I think today he came to Jimmy as a rich man. So this was all about the question answer. Let's move to the next question, that is reference to context. The sentence is, it sometimes changes a good man into a bad man. The sentence is, it sometimes changes a good man into a bad man. What do you think? What does this sentence mean? First of all, who said this and to whom? Jimmy had sent another, Answer is, Jimmy had sent another man to arrest Bob. He said this word to Bob. Here you have to add it to Bob. Jimmy had sent another man to arrest Bob. He said these words to Bob. What does it refer to? It refers to 20 years. It refers to 20 years. Why did the speaker say this? The speaker said this because in 20 years, Bob had grown into a man wanted by Chicago police. The speaker said this because in 20 years, Bob had grown into a man wanted by the Chicago police. Got it? What happens next? Next, the man hands Bob a note written by Jimmy in which he tells him that two times it has come. He tells him that he had come there but no recognition. Jimmy had gone back and sent another man to arrest him. This was all about after 20 years. I hope that you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you very much.